After months of hanging around, this La Niña is finally on its way out. Although sea surface temperature anomalies have cooled again in the far eastern Pacific, overall sea surface temperature anomalies continue to move towards neutral throughout the tropical Pacific, while subsurface ocean heat content continues to warm and the Southern Oscillation Index has moved back into neutral conditions. Overall, this indicates that this event is rapidly transitioning towards ENSO-neutral conditions, even though OLR anomalies continue to look somewhat La Niña-like. Models back up this assessment that this ENSO event is likely coming to an end, as they forecast an imminent transition into ENSO-neutral conditions and will likely remain in ENSO-neutral conditions through the summer. Nevertheless, there are a number of notable precipitation anomalies forecast for this coming season in the summer, notably wet anomalies throughout the Sahel and in India, as well as dry anomalies in the northwestern US, in Chile, and in southwestern Asia. So while we're moving into ENSO-neutral conditions now, keep an eye on this event to see whether this La Niña will resurface in boreal winter or fall, and until then, be well.